Welcome. Good morning once again. This is our first class for plus 2 second year students. This is our first class for BSM for our plus 2 second year students. Yesterday was an introductory class. The previous class rather was an introductory class. So, as I have mentioned yesterday, you all know or you all have a general idea about what is management. As I told you, the word management can be split up into three words. So, as I told you yesterday, the word management can be split up into three parts. That is, to manage men tactfully. Management means managing people, or managing men tactfully is called management. Or rather, it is the art of getting things done through others. As I told you, we have to emphasize on the word art. Art because it is an inbuilt quality or it is an inborn talent how to tackle people, because in an organization we would be dealing with different kinds of people with varied interest. Now let me tell you, or another famous definition of management is knowing exactly what we want to do and doing it in the best and the cheapest way is called management. So, today's class we shall be proceeding with what are the features or characteristics of management. So, what are the features? Features can also be called as characteristics. So, features of management. First one, as I already mentioned yesterday, management is a group-based activity. Means wherever there are a group of people, wherever there is a group activity, knowingly or unknowingly, management does exist. Management exists in all group-based activities because we need management provides the right direction for every group activity in order to achieve its organizational goals or its predetermined objectives. So the first point would be management is present in all group based activities. Group. Here point to be highlighted is group based activities. Management is present in all group based activities. That is, wherever there are a group of people, who the person who manages is called a manager. To manage them towards achievement of the goals, management does exist in all group based activities. The second point is management is all pervasive. What is the meaning of pervasive? Second point, management is pervasive. What is the meaning of pervasive? Pervasive means prevalent, means present everywhere. Management is present everywhere. What do you mean by present everywhere? For suppose, think this triangle, take this triangle or just think it to be an organization. What is an organization, children? Organization means anushthanam, right? It could be a business organization or any form of organization. Could be a non-business organization as well. Organization mane anushthanam. In an organization, management is present everywhere. Everywhere in the sense, to better explain this point, pervasive means prevalent. Prevalent means management is present everywhere. Everywhere means it is present throughout. I told you, imagine this circle to be an organization, business Anushan. It is present everywhere. How? How do you know that it is present everywhere? To make you understand this point, a point बुझिया पाई, I need to go ahead. अटिके आगु जाए कि कहूची, but we will discuss this point in detail later on. एबे जो कहया गु जाउची, एटा में आसंता क्लास जागरे आउ टिके डिटेल रे पढ़िया. This is just for an idea sake or knowledge sake. How? This is an organization. So management exists at 3 levels. How many levels? 3 levels. The first one is called top level management. Rather, I am using a shortcut for management. Please do not get me wrong. किंतु एग्जाम रे तमे स्पेलिंग गुडा लिखिबोनी, तमे वर्ड जागे एग्जाम रे यूज करिबोनी. This is just for a speed explanation or for a easy understanding. Top for management, I am writing it as MGMT. Management is present at top level management. Management is present at middle level. It is called as middle level management. MGMT माने management shortcut use करूची, but exam रे use करिबो नहीं. And this is the low level, or it is called as low level management. So what do you understand from this? Management is pervasive. Pervasive means management is present throughout the organization. It is present everywhere. Everywhere means if this is an organization, management exists in 3 levels: top level, middle level, low level. Top level, what does management do? Management manages with the help of a manager. So top level management manages middle level management. Middle level management manages low level management. This is a good example in case of big organizations, right? So we say that management is pervasive. For example, it would not be wrong to state that anything minus management is equal to 0. Means what? Mane kono? Anything means any activity. Could be a business activity, could be a non-business activity. कौनसु जिनसरु management नथिले तार अस्तित्व नथाए. Anything minus management is equal to 0. माने in any form of organization where there is no proper management, the output would be disastrous, or we can rather call it 0. So anything minus management is equal to 0 boli be koi pariba. So management is pervasive. Pervasive mane kono? Prevalent. It is present everywhere, all throughout. So to again explain this, I would like to say once again, management ए दीटा पॉइंट को आमे मिस्टेक करी गोटे. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज, दीज आर डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स बट देयर इज अ स्लाइट मार्जिन ऑफ डिफरेंस. हल्का सा फरक अछि. द थर्ड फीचर और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ मैनेजमेंट इज goal oriented. Management is goal oriented. Let me tell you, ए दीटा पॉइंट को हमें मिक्स करिबानी. बट देखो, फॉर एग्जांपल मैनेजमेंट इज प्रेजेंट इन ऑल ग्रुप बेस्ड एक्टिविटीज. wherever there are a group of people माने in case of a big organization, okay, there is a junior manager. सर्वतले लो लेवल रे के रहइबो? जूनियर मैनेजर. ता ऊपर को के रहइबो? असिस्टेंट मैनेजर. तांको ऊपर को के रहइबो? सीनियर मैनेजर. ता ऊपर किए रहइबो मैनेजर मैनेजर रे भी केते लेवल्स अछि सर्वा तळे जूनियर मैनेजर तांक ऊपर को असिस्टेंट मैनेजर above that senior manager and at the top who exists it's the manager माने कोन in big organizations there are various managerial levels so ସବୁ group based activities manager controls senior manager controls assistant manager controls junior manager so we can say that management what does manager do he manages manager kon karuchi management karuchi he manages senior manager manages assistant manager manages the junior manager so management is present in all group based activities or we can say management is pervasive mane it is prevalent throughout this triangle is an example of an organization man anusthano this circle is an example of an organization anusthano mane it top level manager controls middle level controls low level so management is prevalent or pervasive throughout the organization or in all group based activities what exists management exists the third point is management is goal oriented goal mane kono lakshya target aim or what you want to achieve objective ame aku aim koi pariba goal koi pariba objective koi pariba target koi pariba right so management exists to attain the predetermined goals mane kono for suppose a school or an educational institution it runs for providing best quality education or for achieving 100% result तो गोटे शिक्षा अनुष्ठान लक्ष्य कौन to provide best quality education and to achieve 100% result so have you ever heard about the management that decides our management has decided that ଆମ ସ୍କୁଲ ର ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଏମିତି ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି ନେଲା କି ମାନେ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନରେ ଗୋଟେ ଶିକ୍ଷା ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନ ସ୍କୁଲ ଓ କଲେଜ ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି କିଏ ନଉଛି ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ ନଉଛି ମାନେ କଣ what is management doing it is managing କଣ ପାଇଁ ମ୍ୟାନେଜ କରୁଛି to provide a proper direction कौन पाई to follow a plan of action आगो कौन रोची predetermined goal objective लक्ष्य target से objective goal को achieve करिया ପାଇଁ कौन plan of action माने the path of action planning माने कौन plan of action किंबा को दिगरे गले आमे achieve कर पारे direction किए सब करूची management ଏବେ ସ୍କୁଲ हो कॉलेज हो आम मैनेजमेंट डिसाइड करला आ मैनेजमेंट हैज टेकन द डिसीजन दैट इन फेवर ऑफ आमे कोच निष्पत्ति नेला कि माने के करछि मैनेजमेंट मन कोन करछि मैनेज करूछि संभाळुछि डिसीजन नंबर हेल्प करछि स्कूल पे कॉलेज पे कोन से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पे सो दैट इट कैन अचीव इट गोल सो स्कूल रो कि कॉलेज रो कोन से शिक्षा अनुसार गोल कोन बेटर क्वालिटी एजुकेशन with 100% result. So how can you achieve better quality education with 100% result? If you are achieving it means what? The management is efficient. It is a good quality management. Efficient. Bhallo management boli ki ame kahi pariba. Right? If it fails to mane, the blame goes to merit hele bhi management ko credit jibo. असुविधा हेले भी मैनेजमेंट ही किले नबो then if it does not achieve its objectives we say it is an inefficient management or poor management if the organization is successful in achieving its objectives who takes the credit we say that it is an efficient management or a successful management or good quality management if it could not achieve the given set targets we say it is a poor quality management inefficient management बोली कि हमें कहि परिबा so what is the major role of management a management for example a hospital aims at rendering service to the patients जो माने आसीबे तांको सर्विस दबो patient मानन educational organization रो कोन टारगेट best quality education with 100% result. So कौन से भी organization could be a hospital, could be a educational institution, management helps in achieving the goal or the set targets. So we can say that management is goal oriented. Now going to the next point, we can say that management is a continuous process. Management is a continuous. I need not explain in detail. You all know the meaning of continuous. Continuous means never ending, ongoing, going on process. Kona kohela? Management is a continuous process. What is the meaning of continuous? Continuous means it's a vicious circle. It keeps on going, never ending, ongoing process. Hello Kimiti, you may ask me, ma'am, how? So let me tell you, from the time of birth till the time we die, we breathe in and breathe out. Yes or no? From the very time a child is born till his last moment, the child inhales and exhales. Ame niswase nochu, right? So can I say that janma helladu mu respiration karuchi, mu niswase nouchi, chhaduchi, mu halya heigali, I will not breathe anymore. Can I live? Can I exist without inhaling and exhaling oxygen and carbon? I inhale oxygen, I exhale carbon dioxide. ନିଶ୍ୱାସ ନ ନେଇକି ବଞ୍ଚି ପାରିବା? ଯେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ମଣିଷ ନିଶ୍ୱାସ ନ ନେଇକି ବଞ୍ଚି ପାରିବ ନାହିଁ, in a similar way management is a continuous process. No organization can survive without management. ताहेले what do we understand from this? एटार हम कौन बुझु? माने management keeps on going round the clock. It is a continuous, ongoing, never-ending process. Why for that? Let me tell you a very present example. We are suffering from a pandemic. What is a pandemic? Corona को pandemic कहूछु. Pandemic माने worldwide effect करूची सेटा. It's a disease that has affected world round. पूरा पृथ्वी को थरे की कंपे की रखीची पूरा. Right? So the present situation is what? Corona pandemic. We are struggling from corona. So a corona को protect करिया ପାଇଁ आम भितरे awareness, जागृति किए आणुची? Government. Right? So आम देश को मध्य के मैनेज करूची? Government. आमको मध्य के कंट्रोल करूची? गवर्नमेंट. माने हमको कंट्रोल मैनेज देखो एथिरे भी मैनेजमेंट अछि. दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड knowingly or unknowingly management exists. आमे केते जण आमे पाठ पढुचु मैनेजमेंट पाठ. We are aware of what is management. No पढी की मध्य we are implementing or achieving through the medium of, just like I told you yesterday, through the medium of management. एबे सरकार आम भितर अवेयरनेस जागृति दोची, लॉकडाउन करूची, शटडाउन करूची. गवर्नमेंट कोन करूची? हमकु कंट्रोल करूची, मैनेज करूची. को एरिया को ग्रीन जोन, सेफ जोन, ग्रीन जोन, ऑरेंज जोन, रेड जोन, हाई अलर्ट एरिया को रेड जोन करूची. तो ए एरिया रे लिबरल, ए एरिया रे शटडाउन, ए एरिया रे लॉकडाउन. मैनेजमेंट कोन करूची? गवर्नमेंट कोन करछि? हमकु मैनेज करछि. हम प्रेजेंट कोविड सिचुएशन एबे गवर्नमेंट कोई हाथ टेकी दबा केते हेले भी कोविड कंट्रोल होनी, मु आ मैनेज करि पारिन. जे जो दिगरे जाउची देश जाओ, जो पटे जाउची जाओ बोले हाथ टेक देले कोन हबो? द रिजल्ट्स आउटकम वुड बी डिजास्ट्रेस. भाबी परिबानी डिजास्ट्रेस. तो मैनेजमेंट हाथ टेकी दे, गवर्नमेंट हाथ टे मु आ मैनेज करि पारिन, जो आड जाउची जाओ देशटा. नो. ताहेरे भी आजी एटा स्टेप काली को 7 to 12 liberal, 7 to 7 lockdown, तापर night 7 to morning 7 lockdown. Every moment रे गवर्नमेंट कोन करछि? निष्पत्ति नोछि, डिसीजन नोछि, कंट्रोल करछि, गाइड करछि. माने कोन? मैनेज करूछि. So management is a continuous process. Next one, management is a Dynamic process. Dynamic. Management is a dynamic process. What do you understand by the word dynamic? Dynamic mane kon buझुचो? What do you understand from the term dynamic? Dynamic means it's not stable. माने स्थिर नुह. स्थिर माने जोटा कि अस्थिर, जोटा स्थिर नुह अस्थिर. Dynamic means it's not stable, it's not constant, it keeps on changing, it's prone to regular changes, it's prone to regular changes, it keeps on changing, it's not constant. माने स्थिर नहीं, जोटा प्रति मुहूर्त रे चेंज होती हो, जोटा अस्थिर. So management is a dynamic process. To explain this term dynamic process, I need to tell you about business environment. Business माने जानुचो व्यवसाय, environment माने परिवेश. बिजनेस रो परिवेश को कुआ जाए बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट. सो कौन बिजनेस एग्जिस्ट इन ए डायनामिक एनवायरनमेंट. डायनामिक एनवायरनमेंट माने business environment is prone to regular changes, business environment is prone to challenges, it is prone to regular changes, it is prone to, for a business to exist, for a business to survive, it has to resist the competition. Resist माने competition को बराबर टक्कर दे परले मार्केट रे कोन अछि competition अछि. जदि गोटे बिजनेस competition को resist करि परले माने टक्कर दे परले अटल होई रही परले a business can exist. हेले business environment तो static नुह, स्थिर नुह, it is dynamic बोली कहिछि. Dynamic माने keeps on changing, prone to regular changes. So how हेले किमिति हबो? तो मैनेजमेंट को बहुत डायनामिक हेकरी माने बहुत it need to be very vigilant हे कि रहिले ही हे परिबो. Very best example Amazon, okay, or Myntra, whatever. So आगो कौन थिला ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग. ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग रे कौन मिलतिला एक्सेसरीज, राइट, क्लोथिंग, फुटवेयर सब प्रकार मिलुला. बट जेतले लॉकडाउन हेयला मार्केट पूरा इकोनॉमी पड़ीगला, पूरा मार्केट डाउन. से समय कौन हाथ टेकी से माने बसिबे. सेतबेले मार्केट सिचुएशन कौन से समय रे लॉकडाउन रे कोरोना वायरस रे लोक मरुचंदी इफेक्ट हेलाडू मु जाय कि गुटे ड्रेस आनिबी, मु जाय गुटे पार्टी वेयर आनिबी बोली आमे जाई परबानी. से माने बिकिले भी तांकुडू बड़ो फालतू मूर्ख वेस्ट ऑफ एनर्जी किछि रहबन. सो व्हाट डज मैनेजमेंट डू in such a chain? देखो earlier there was demand for mobile phones, accessories, clothing, footwear, but situation सबबोले समान नहीं, keeps on changing माने dynamic स्थिर नहीं. सेते बोले a prudent माने a good management कौन करिबो सिचुएशन को धरिकी निष्पत्ति डिसीजन नबो. से समय रे से लुगा पुटा तो नहीं, सॉरी द शॉप इज क्लोज्ड फॉर लॉकडाउन. से समय रे से मन कौन बिकुथुले मास्क, सैनिटाइजर, राइट. सो व्हाट वाज द डिमांड ऑफ दैट सिचुएशन. से सिचुएशन रे पूरा तो पेपर बंद कर बसेन. से समय रे कौन बिकले तांगु लाभ हबो मास्क, सैनिटाइजर्स ए उडागो. मे बी ऑनलाइन डिलीवरी नै फॉर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, बट तापर भी इफ यू सी तांकी कोटा को देउथिले ऑनलाइन डिलीवरी फॉर मास्क एंड सैनिटाइजर. माने ठीक समय रे ठीक निष्पत्ति के नला मैनेजमेंट. काहेंगी मार्केट टा स्थिर नहीं, कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग, चैलेंजेस अछि. आजिर जिंस काली को का दरकार नहीं, डायनामिक. सो ऐसे समय हमको फोन दरकार नहीं, एक्सेसरीज दरकार नहीं, फुटवेयर से समय व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ द सिचुएशन. वी नीड अ मास्क. समस्त को मास्क पिंदो कोइला तो समस्त तो बसी मास्क तैयारी करी सिले परिबनी. मास्क एंड मोस्ट डिमांड कोन गवर्नमेंट अवेयरनेस करेछि, दैट इज सैनिटाइजर, अल्कोहल बेस्ड सैनिटाइजर रादर. सो से समय रे से माने मास्क सैनिटाइजर बिकले माने सिचुएशन को धरकी चेंजिंग मार्केट को धरकी डिमांड को धरकी चेंज हला. सो मैनेजमेंट helps you in taking a right decision at a right time, ठीक निष्पत्ति. So it is a dynamic process. I would not be wrong in saying that it is a dynamic process. Next, moving on to management is intangible. Management is intangible. What do you mean by intangible? All commerce students, you must have studied about tangible assets and intangible assets in accountancy in your first year. So you must be aware of the word intangible. It's not new to you. Eda kichi nuwa nai. Ame podchu tangible assets. Those assets that can be seen and touched and felt are called tangible assets. Intangible assets like goodwill, which we cannot see and touch, but it can be felt, are called intangible assets. Similarly, it's not wrong in saying that management is intangible. Let me ask you a simple question. Do you all believe in God? विश्वास करुचो ठाकुर अछंती बोलिकरी? If I ask you काई कुआडे विश्वास करुचो देखाटी, will you able to show me? Maybe you will show me a photograph or an idol or a statue. Eda Hanuman, eda Ganesha, eda Rama, eda Krishna. But in real, can you show? But we say that कौन ठाकुर अच्छंदी सबुटे अंतर्यामी, ठाकुर अंतर्यामी सबुटे अच्छंदी, मो भीतर अच्छंदी तो भीतर, but देखा, you cannot show. In a similar way, management cannot be seen, management cannot be touched, but it can be felt in the form of results. It can be felt in the form of results. Just like I told you, if an organization is successful, ame koiba good management, bhalo management ta pura badhiya chale chi, successful. So we give the credit to management. If in an unsuccessful organization also we say poor quality management, success or failure we attribute to management. Tahele etar ame kon buझुचु? We cannot see, we cannot touch, but we can feel management. What? In the form of results. Management can be felt in the form of results. Management can be felt in the form of results. So we say that management is intangible. Moving on to the next one. Management is multi-dimensional. Multi means more than one. Dimensions mane directions kimba digo. Management is multi-dimensional. Multi means more than one. Dimension mane direction kimba digo. So management is multi-dimensional in nature. Multi-dimensional. Management is multi-dimensional mane kono? What do we understand from this? Management is multi-dimensional mane under management we manage work, we manage people, we manage operations. Multi means more than one in various directions. Dimension, multi mane more than one, dimension mane directions, they go in more than one direction. So management is multi-dimensional. Means what? What does management manage? Management manages work, management manages people, management manages operations. So ame kain koiba multi-dimensional? Because it manages work, it manages people, operations. Management kono koruchi? Manage koruchi. So it manages what? Work, people, operations. Management manages work. Work mane कौन सी प्रकार productive काम, productive work. Management manages work mane we have an, I told you management is goal oriented. ସବୁ organization ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନ ର ଗୋଟେ goal, ଗୋଟେ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ, ଗୋଟେ aim, ଗୋଟେ target ଥାଏ. To achieve that predetermined goal, कौन କରୁଛି management? आगो proper plan of action बनौछि. So that we follow that plan of action in a right direction to achieve the goal. So what is management doing? Plan of action କରୁଛି. It is distributing work. एटा तो काम, एटा तो काम, एटा तो काम, एटा तो काम. कार कौन काम divide କରୁଛି, segregate କରୁଛି. तो management goal को achieve करिया ପାଇଁ, management goal को achieve करिया ପାଇଁ से कौन କରୁଛି management? से goal को achieve करिया ପାଇଁ से तुमको plan of action, course of action କରୁଛି. से plan of action रे ठीक बाट, ठीक डायरेक्शन, ठीक दिगरे चालुची ना नहीं, कार कौन वर्क, कार कौन ड्यूटी, कार कौन वर्क डिवाइड करछि. So management is managing work. So work, who does the work? People means labor माने श्रमिको. People, employee, we can call them employees, we can call them workers, we can call them laborers or labor force rather. Laborers would not be sounding correct, so हमें कहबा labor force लगेबा. So workers, employees or the labor force. So management work को plan करके divide करछि. It's managing work. Work काकु दोछि? People. Directly or indirectly, it is controlling people. And management manages operations. Operations माने कौन? Management manages operations माने there are different types of operations. Can you guess what? First thing, just like I told you yesterday, okay, money, investment or capital. Maal hai to taal hai. It is, money is the honey of business or the lifeblood of business. So first money, finance, operation. Finance ele next kona habo? Purchases habo. Purchases of what? Material, raw material. Purchase is another operation. Purchase ela par next kona habo? Production. Production is another operation. So finance operation. Finance ela par kona habo? Purchase habo materials. Purchase पर कौन हो? Production. Production हेले पर तमे लॉक करी रखी बनी sales. Sales हबो. Sales हेला पर कौन हबो? Sales हेला पर feedback किंबा after sales service हबो. तो how to improve the product? How to improvise on the product? जिमिति की customer, ग्राहको, rather consumer ताकू किमिति पसंद करबे. How to improve on the product? How to improvise the product? तो एटा के करछि? R&D. R&D. R&D means R stands for research and D stands for development. Every big organization has an R&D department. R&D माने research and development department. माने how to improve on the product, how to improvise on the product. कौन करिले ग्राहक consumer आम product को आउरी पसंद करबे. How to improve the quality. If a business does not update itself, update माने upgrade करियन, product improve करियन, very soon the business would be out of market or it would be outdated product. So what does management do? Management is multidimensional. Multi means more than one. Dimension means direction. Digore kamu korchi. Koko digore kamu korchi. Management means to manage. Management not only manages work, it also manages people by dividing the work. It manages people. Not only that, it manages operations. Just now I told you what are operations. Money is the honey of life. Money is the lifeblood of business. So first money and finance operation. तापरे कौन हबो? Purchases हबो. Purchase operation. Purchase हेले कौन हबो? Production हबो. Production operation. Production हेले पर कौन हबो? Sales हबो. Sales operation. तापरे feedback kimba after sales service. Then comes R&D, research and development operations. So एतियो operation management work को manage करुची, people को manage करुची, operation को manage करुची. So it would not be wrong in saying that management is multidimensional. And one more. So today we have completed with features of management. In our today's class, what did we study? We studied what are the features or characteristics of management. So what are the features? First one, management is a group based activity. Wherever there are a group of people, management does exist. Management is goal oriented. Management is a continuous process. Continuous means ongoing, never ending process. Next, management is a dynamic process because business environment is very dynamic, sthiro nahi, stable nahi. Next one, management is intangible in nature, means we cannot see management, just like we cannot see God, but we have atala viswasa, we have faith in him, just like we cannot see God, but we trust him. In a similar way, we cannot see management, but we can feel management in the form of results. Management is intangible, management is multi-dimensional. So this was a recap of today's class, what we studied, that is features of management. And I would like to say there's just a note, a small note. I would like to, this is just for information's sake, to provide you information. Let me tell you, how many of you know what is the difference between efficiency and effectiveness? Efficiency mane kono? Effectiveness mane kono? How many of you know? These two words sound very similar. Sunibako efficiency, effectiveness. Ha, praya gutte. Boli laguchi, ekka laguchi pakapaki, but they are not the same. They are not the same. So let me tell you what is the difference between efficiency and effectiveness. It's very important for you all to know. Effectiveness mane kono? Efficiency mane kono? So what is the line of margin or the line of demarcation or difference between efficiency and effectiveness? Efficiency mane kono? Effectiveness mane kono? Efficiency mane ओडिया जो कहउचंदी दक्षता, means you are assigned a job, you are given a job, you are given a task, you complete the task within the given time. दबा समय भितरे से काम को करिदेले ताकू कुआ जाए effectiveness, within given time. दबा टाइम भितरे से कामटा को परिपूर्ण भाबरे कंप्लीट करले, इट इज कॉल्ड एज effectiveness. But what is efficiency? माने गिवन टाइम भितरे गोटे कार्यटा को, गोटे वर्क, गोटे टारगेट कंप्लीट करले, व्हाट इज एफिशिएंसी? नॉट जस्ट डूइंग द जॉब, हां कर देली काम सरीला, नॉट फॉर से, बट डूइंग इट इन ए cost effective manner. Cost effective, but doing it in a cost effective manner. Cost effective माने जो काम दिया गला से काम को दबा समय भितरे within the given time, but in a cost effective manner माने परिपूर्ण भाबरे, भलो भाबरे. Cost effective माने cost माने खर्च, benefit माने केते खर्च हैला सेथुरु आमे केते लाभ पाई पारलु, केते खर्च हैला सेथुरु हमकु केते बेनिफिट मिलला. कॉस्ट बेनिफिट एनालिसिस. राइट? सो efficiency माने effectiveness माने completing the job within the given time, but efficiency माने से कामटा परिपूर्ण भाबरे, भलो भाबरे, माने सेतिकी समय भितरे, but in a cost effective manner. Cost effective manner माने केती खर्च हैला ता द्वारा मु केती लाभ पाइलु, ते through that आमे केते benefit पाइलु, केते खर्च हैला सेतुर हमको कोन benefit मिलिला, that is called as efficiency. ताहले effectiveness focuses on time, whereas efficiency helps in the study of cost benefit analysis. So this is the major difference between efficiency and effectiveness. Being a commerce student, you should know this. This was just for an information sake so that you have get a clear idea as we go on with the further classes. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.